Hi everyone, welcome back to Frugal Watchbox channel. Today we don't have a watch comparison video for you. Instead, we'll be unboxing the iconic retro-style Casio AQ-230A, featuring the popular Tiffany-inspired dial. What I actually have here is the Casio AQ-230A-2A1, which comes with a light blue dial. I got this beauty for about $28. I've always wanted the Tiffany dial version, but it's always out of stock. I guess this color scheme is really popular. Whenever it's available, it's often sold at a much higher price than usual, which made me hesitant to buy it. However, during the year-end sale, I found this watch for just $26. Without wasting any time, I placed my order. Honestly, I feel really lucky to have gotten it at such a great price, even lower than the typical price for the blue dial version. While we wait for the unboxing, let's talk about the watch itself. This light blue dial has a distinctive sunburst effect, which is one of my favorite features. Many watch lovers are big fans of this model as well. I don't wear this watch very often, as it's more of a formal timepiece. For my day-to-day activities and my part-time job as a manual worker, I usually stick to my other Casios, especially my G-Shocks. Before we get to the unboxing, let's do a quick wrist check. Right now, I'm wearing the Jeep 5600 UE, a tough solar-powered watch I bought a few days ago. If you're interested in a review of this watch, there's a link on the screen. Check it out when you have time. Alright, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. First impressions. The packaging includes some bubble wrap, but it's not very thick. Here's the packing list for the parcel. Let's hope the watch is in good condition. Let's cut through the bubble wrap. Not the best unboxing experience. The box has a few dents, and there's even a small tear near the opening. But let's see what's inside. Inside the box, the first thing we see is the warranty certificate from the dealer. Next, there's the watch manual for module number 5154. And finally, we have the international warranty card, the last piece of documentation. Now for the moment of truth, unveiling the watch itself. Let's remove the watch from the plastic pouch. Thankfully, the watch is in perfect condition despite the packaging issues. From here, we can already see the Tiffany color gleaming beautifully through the plastic wrapping. Let's carefully remove the watch from the plastic pouch. And here it is, the watch I've been waiting months to get at the right price. Let's take off the screen protector to get a better view of this mesmerizing dial. There we go. Wow, what a stunning watch. Before we move on, let's remove the watch tag. Here it is. The full model number is AQ-230A-2A2 MQYDF. Such a long model number, but hey, it's the Tiffany dial that really matters. Now, let me give you a quick tour of the watch. First, let's compare it with the blue dial version. There's a noticeable difference between the two. The blue dial has a distinct sunburst effect, while the Tiffany dial has a flat finish. Both are beautiful in their own way, but they definitely offer different vibes. Let's dive into the case and dial details. The case, bezel, and glass are made of resin, with the case and bezel coated in silver chrome plating. This rectangular or cushion-shaped case design takes us back to the stylish 1970s. The Casio AQ-230A is a retro-styled timepiece that perfectly blends analog and digital functionality, capturing the timeless charm of 1970s watch design. Its sleek, compact case features a polished stainless steel finish, giving it a clean and minimalist look. The rectangular dial showcases a simple analog layout with slender hands and small hour markers. The lower portion integrates a digital display, offering additional features like day, date, and alarm functionality. Unfortunately, the Casio AQ-230A does not have luminescent hands or markers. It's designed as a practical and minimalist timepiece, emphasizing dual analog-digital functionality and vintage aesthetics over nighttime readability. Let's take a look at the dimensions next. The case size is approximately 29.8 millimeters, making it a small watch. The lug-to-lug distance is around 38.8 millimeters. The thickness is just 8.1 millimeters, keeping it slim and sleek. The lug width is 18 millimeters. The watch weighs only 47 grams. These dimensions make it a lightweight, compact, and comfortable watch, perfect for those who appreciate retro-style watches with modern functionality. The dial is Tiffany colored, a soft light blue with a hint of green, creating a unique, calming, and elegant tone. This is why so many people are drawn to this color scheme. The Casio AQ-230A is a retro-styled timepiece that combines analog and digital functionality. The rectangular dial features a simple analog layout with slender hands and small hour markers on top, while the lower portion integrates a digital display for added functionality, including day, date, and alarm features. It seems the seller has set the time correctly, as it displays the correct day, date, and month here. Around the edge of the dial are black minute markers, well aligned except at the four corners of the dial, as you can see here. The minute markers start at the 12 o'clock position and loop back to the same point. Interestingly, the buttons lack any imprints indicating their functions. There are no markings on the case or the case back. This means you'll need to refer to the manual to set the watch correctly. On the dial itself, the hour markers are noteworthy. A large silver bar marks the 12 o'clock position, while the rest of the hour markers are thin black lines. These markers are painted directly onto the dial, not applied. Just below the 12 o'clock position, you'll find the Casio quartz imprint, while just above the 6 o'clock position is the water resist imprint, indicating the watch is water resistant up to 30 meters. At the extreme bottom of the dial is the digital display, showing the day, date, and month. This display can be customized to suit the user's preference. The hands of the watch are slim, silver, and minimalist, with no second hand, embodying a clean and understated design. Now, let's move on to the bracelet. It's a standard Casio stainless steel bracelet, similar to those used in models like the A158 and A168. This lightweight stainless steel band features an adjustable clasp, typical of Casio's vintage watches, ensuring a comfortable fit. The overall aesthetic is understated yet versatile, making it suitable for both casual and formal occasions. The clasp proudly displays a prominent Casio logo. Additionally, there's a serial number on the bracelet, which is a common feature across many Casio watches. The links are folded, characteristic of a more affordable bracelet, but they are durable and built to last. Flipping the watch over, the stainless steel caseback features imprints of the Casio logo, along with the module and model numbers, water resistance rating, and other details. On the wrist, the small case size has a perfect presence on my slender 6.5-inch wrist. Its compact and lightweight design ensures it's both stylish and comfortable to wear. Here are the features of the Casio AQ-230A for those considering adding this watch to their collection. The dual time feature is perfect for travelers or anyone needing to track 2 time zones simultaneously. It includes a stopwatch, which is handy for timing events or activities with precision. There is a daily alarm with an hourly time signal to keep you on schedule and informed of the time throughout the day. The auto calendar automatically adjusts for months with fewer days, including February with 28 days. The watch offers reliable timekeeping with an accuracy of plus or minus 30 seconds per month. You can easily switch between standard and military time formats using the 12/24 format. For regular timekeeping, the analog section has 2 hands for the hour and minute, while the digital section displays the hour, minute, second, PM indicator, month, date, and day. The battery life is approximately 3 years on an SR920W battery, ensuring low maintenance and reliability. Why should you buy this watch? If you're looking for a watch that blends retro charm with practical features, the Casio AQ-230A is an excellent choice. Its dual analog-digital display offers functionality and a classic aesthetic, making it suitable for various occasions. The lightweight design, robust features like a stopwatch and dual time, and a dependable battery life make it both stylish and functional. Whether you're a collector of vintage-inspired timepieces or just need a versatile everyday watch, this model delivers exceptional value for its price. Final thoughts. The Casio AQ-230A is more than just a timekeeping device. It's a perfect blend of style, functionality, and nostalgia. With its retro design and practical features, it's a fantastic addition to any watch collection. Whether you wear it for formal occasions or everyday tasks, this watch won't disappoint. If you've been on the fence, now might be the perfect time to add this gem to your collection. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this unboxing and review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more watch reviews and unboxings. See you next time on the Frugal Watchbox channel.